Here's how professional marketers would have me demonstrate the new Go Cups by Tuff. Here's what it's usually like. Real life is messier. Feeding your baby is challenging and so often inconvenient. We get you. That's why you're going to love these easy-to-use Go Cups by Tuff. I can pump while I'm riding. I can pump while I'm at work. I can pump while I'm cleaning vomit off the floor. The fact is, these Go Cups are ideal for on-the-go moms looking for a hands-free option. With only 4 parts, they're simple to use and easy to clean. They're compatible with most brands of breast pumps, so you can use the pump you already have. And each holds an astounding 8 ounces of liquid gold. What's more, you'll also get live pumping support from a lactation consultant.
But how to get your husband to stop snoring is not a lactation question.
Life doesn't have to stop while you're pumping. Order your Go Cups today. I'm going for a walk.